In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup Smartsheet sheets. Safe Storage 2026. Backups protect your work from accidental changes, deletions, or access issues. And in Smartsheet, the fastest way is to backup an entire workspace so all related sheets, comments, and files are captured together. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. Sign in using your usual method, whether that's a password, single sign-on, or a corporate login. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method handy. This part is quick, and once you're in, you'll land on the home area. On home, you'll see your recent items and your workspaces. Recent is great if you've worked on something lately, but for a full backup, head to the Workspaces section to find a specific workspace you want to protect. Click the workspace name to open it. Remember, backing up a workspace captures its contents together, which is ideal for organized storage and easy retrieval later. Inside the workspace, look to the top right for the three dots icon, the More menu. Click that to open the workspace actions, then choose Backup Now. This tells Smartsheet to prepare a downloadable archive of your content. You'll see options related to the backup. Smartsheet will let you view the backup status and download completed backups from within the app. And it will also send you an email when the backup is ready with a direct download link. The download comes as a zip file that includes your sheets, comments, and, if you choose, attachments. Before you start, review the backup settings. If you enable Include Attachments, Smartsheet will add files stored on your sheets to the zip. This is helpful for a complete archive, but it can increase the size and time of the backup. There's also an option to send the workspace owner an email when the backup is completed, which is useful for accountability and team visibility. Make sure you have permission to backup this workspace, and double check you're in the correct one, especially if your organization uses a similar naming structure across multiple teams. When everything looks good, click OK to confirm. Smartsheet begins processing in the background. Keep an eye on your inbox for the notification with the download link. If you don't see it, check your spam or filtered folders. When the email arrives, download the zip and save it in a secure, organized location, ideally using a consistent folder and naming convention so you can find it quickly later. It's also smart to verify the zip by opening it and confirming key files are there. That's it. You've safely backed up your Smartsheet workspace. Repeat this process regularly to keep your records current, and you'll always have a reliable copy ready when you need it.